How to find your password on your Android device. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your email's password on Android. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your Google and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now what you're going to do here is tap on your account right here and then tap on manage your account. It will directly take you to your account manager. So all you have to do here is head over to data and privacy. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you won't have a password option here. It's instead on the security tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find the password manager. Tap on manage password. And if you want to find the password of your Gmail or Google, you will be able to find it here. So go ahead and tap on google.com. Now you'll just have to provide your verification via biometrics, or you can just enter your PIN. So I'm just going to enter my biometric right here. Now you will be able to see your password. So you can see this little eye icon right here. If you press on this, you will be able to view your password. And it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video.